Welcome everyone to another Solana price prediction update. Unbelievable. We just broke out of the top and we're looking for seeing huge numbers. Solana is actually everywhere on every single positive chart. Let me share that with you. We're talking about a top trending one. Solana is ranked number 3 right now. Biggest gainers, Solana is still right there after huge increases over the past month. And the most visited Solana is ranked number 2 after BTC. So tell me about the altcoins. Tell me about the competition with BTC. Tell me about the competition with Ethereum. Tell me about the competition with XRP, Avalanche, Shiba. Solana is dominating, guys. 3 months ago, people said it is a dead one. 3 months ago, people said it will no longer recover and it's just garbage. You have no clue how many people have sold their Solanas 3 months ago when certain things have happened. Now, let me talk to you about the price action and the predictions that we're dealing with. However, make sure to follow me on my main channel. Check out basically for education. If you believe it's important and it's worth your time, then we have a one-on-one coaching program for people that would like to become traders from part-time or full-time, beginners, advanced, and so on, intermediate. Find out more details on our page. Register now on Calendly for a quick conversation to discover every detail, including our complete trading done for you with the help of our AI bot trading. Make sure to check those things out. I'm going to talk about them at the end of the video, guys. Now, this is what's happening at the moment. We broke out of this top after forming a bubble of liquidity and successfully going beyond that. This is amazing. I mean, during this phase right here, where the market has been forming a downtrending channel, tons of people enjoyed shorting Solana and making profits from that. There's been room for doing some speculation, that's right, but the idea when Solana starts moving, it's like fighting against an opponent which is 10 times better than you. Why would you go and fight with that? Why would you engage in an exercise that you know 100% it's going to be a loss? Imagine yourself, you are out there playing a game, let's say at a casino, and it stays on terms that this game is not going to do any payouts. You have zero chance winning, yet you still play that game and hope that it pays you. No, that's designed not to pay you anything. That's designed not to turn back anything. And it states it. It shares that with you prior of playing, prior of acting. The same thing happens with the charts and trading, guys. All the language of the market can be discovered and understood, so you can act accordingly with that. It's very, very significant. Now, the breakout that happened was very important. This breakout, plus the confirmation, plus all the moving averages that were supporting us. And on top of that, 50 days was holding over there, right next to the top, which is insane. It's insane quantity, it's insane amount of support on the board appearing. And the breakout, of course, that was major and we were dominating. Here, this structure right now is a bit dangerous. Could be a deviation compared to this, and that could trigger basically some selling pressure. But at the same time, I would not be bothered. There is $63 support. There is basically 100 days, 200 days moving averages right there. There is our demand support over there. There's another demand support right there. Two zones that are supposed to hold. I would not be scared if the market retraces right now. I'm gonna basically jump into more and more leveraged longs on Solana. At the same time, guys, what if we have the ability to extend from here, which is something we're supposed to doing? What if we will force the $74, $88 marks? Do you exclude the possibilities of that? But let me tell you, Solana right now is in a bullish market rally. It dominates the top altcoins, and it is the best out of the best at the moment. So this is a clear sign that when the bull market starts, because right now we are in a pre-bull market rally, when the bull market starts by the next year, 2024, think about how people will react on Solana's case. Think about, because they saw the example and returns during this pre-bull market. Think about how this is going to behave when we are dealing with a bull market. Think about a $300, $500, $800 price action on Solana. Can you imagine a 10x from here on a 5x leverage? That's 500%. Can you imagine that? Can you basically expect that the market from here can go 500%, and if you put 10x leverage, that will be a return of 5,000%, literally speaking, on your margin. Can you basically imagine that this 5,000% can appear in 6 to 8 months of bullish rally? This is the reality. When we talk about the bull market conditions, this is how we have been behaving in the past as well. So it would be no surprise to all of us. Look at a great reaction, folks, on the 50 days moving average we are facing right now, the orange line. Great, so let me just continue forward and share with you a cloud where we are clearly seeing the fact that we're nowhere near to be an extremely overbought area. There is still room for that. There is still room for that because of the previous top we established. Our cloud has been able to move quite high, and we're just facing a double top from the cloud right now. So a push towards above 70 would not be a surprise, but whatever would take above 72 in the current market conditions would basically speed up the acceleration rate towards more and more people exiting, speculating, shorting, and so on. This is basically the way it would look like. Now, other things that are needed to be kept on mind is that we have here a green line, full of dots, that is holding us right now. We have the MTF line, the median line, that will hold us right now. So there's levels of support that are appearing below Solana in so many cases with so much power that it's so easy to perform trading on this one at this level, which is just, crazy. Beautiful. That's it from this update. Quick update, straight to the point on the cryptocurrency, which is dominating the space and having a good time. At the same time, like I said, if you care about education and believe it is important to get yourself to the next level, do this activity very well and take your earnings to the highest possible. Part-time or full-time trading is available for those of you that are prepared. Other than that, I'm definitely not suggesting to touch margin or leverage. I'm definitely not suggesting to risk resources on markets where you are not handling the knowledge needed. So find out more on our page and schedule yourself a free conversation on Calendly. Have a good time, guys. Looking forward to it, including our complete trading done for you. If you think you would like to be part of this movement where we are doing the trading, and we don't charge anything upfront, it's just a commission from the pure profits made. This is something I do for my community. This is something I do for my friends, close community, and so on. No fancy sales page or sales stuff. It's not needed. Have a good time, by the way. Talk to you soon, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like video as well.